Hi, this is a quick preview of a Smart Auto setting that can be installed on different form factors of Android. As you can see, this is a mobile running version 2.1, this is version 4.0 on a mobile device, and this tablet is version 4.2. So our demo will be on this tablet as it has a bigger screen size. This is the application icon, and when you click it, it will go in the application. The first time you run the application, it will create 3 pre-configured profiles for you. This is the default profile, which contains a set of predefined actions such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume, and sound. You can change the settings for each of these. Home day is part of the pre-configured profiles, which contains conditions such as time and location, each of which can be changed. Just to let you know, you have to change the location condition because the location condition for the pre-configured profile is a random dummy location. And we also have a set of actions similar to the ones in the default profile. So when these conditions are satisfied, the corresponding actions will be applied. You can enable, disable, delete, or add any of these components. This is a home night profile, which has a location condition and a set of actions. And we also have an office profile, which has a location condition and a set of actions. So, when you customize these profiles based on your needs, then you can create extra profiles as you wish. For example, add a profile from the menu option of the device. First, you can select the logo, the icon of the profile, and its name, for example, test. Now we can add a condition from the menu. First, the location condition. It shows you the default location of your country depending on where you are. You can use this menu to find the current location, or you can enter an address if you wish. For example, we will type in Big Ben, which is in London. Now we can zoom in to accurately find the location that we want. As you can see, the internet speed is a bit slow. Okay, now that the map is loaded, you can click on the position of the location that you want to make it more accurate. The blue circle is the radius of the location, which is in meters. Now we'll add another condition for time. Here you can change the dates, which we recommend it should be forever. You can change the weekdays, so we can take out the weekends. And you also have a time, which you can change the times from what time to what time it can happen. So this is a time condition, and you can scroll down if you need. Now let's add an action. Let's say Wi-Fi, and let's turn it on. Another action would be sound, I guess. And we can set it to sound and vibrate both. And also, let's add another action like volume. You can select any type of volume you like. For example, the notification volume, music volume, ringer volume, and etc. You can change any of these as you like. So, now you have set your conditions and actions. Once the conditions are satisfied, the corresponding actions will be applied. So, this is where you have all the profiles are, including the default profile. So if none of the profiles are satisfied, then the default profile's actions will be applied. You can long press on each profile to move it up or down. This will change its priority in the service. So the higher it goes, the more priority, the lower it goes, the lower its priority. You can enable or disable this profile, similar to what you can do to the actions and conditions. You can also delete the profile if you need to. You can also manually apply a profile's actions once the application is switched on. This will apply the profile's actions, ignoring its conditions. Now all the actions for the office have been applied. The menu button also allows you to see the key sections of the application, such as About, which lets you see a brief overview of the company and etc. The Help is a quick introduction to of the application. We recommend you to have a look through it to understand how the application works. As you can see, from all screens, you have access to the preferences. Here is a set of preferences that you can change. However, we recommend you not to change any of these settings as it could affect the performance. We assume that you have the network location provider and GPS location provider both enabled. Otherwise, the application will not work at the best efficiency. Once everything is ready, we will switch the application on. By clicking this button, the application starts detecting the current location. So, you can see that because we are not in any of these locations, it has applied the actions of the default profile. Now, if we go back, you can see that this is the widget of the application. By enabling the widget, you can see the current profile on it. This is why we recommend you to use the widget instead of the icon. The other good feature on the widget is that you have the option to disable the application from the widget quick launch, like the main switch. So, if we click on profiles, it goes in the profiles page, and everything else is the same, like the menu button. If you want more details about each part of the application, look at the other videos that we have uploaded. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the application.